Project documentary, The Fighters, follows the passionate crusade of a Philippine human rights activist to protect children from the sex trade and her efforts to convince the nation's biggest star, boxer Manny Pacquiao, to join the fight against modern-day slavery.
Amanda believes if a major celebrity joined the fight against modern-day slavery, it would help bring awareness to the issue. She has one man in mind.
Manny Pacquiao!
He's an idol of many people because of his story.
When I first met Manny Pacquiao in May of 2011, many boxing experts considered him the greatest pound-for-pound fighter in the world. He is perhaps the most famous Filipino in history. All quite impressive for a man who, like many others, was born into extreme poverty.
Yung experience ang pag-usapan talagang malaki at malawak ang ating experience sa buhay. At yun yung isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit ako talagang ganun na lang ang puso ko na tumulong sa mga mahirap.
Manny dreams of what it would mean if he became